Hard to believe, but it has now been just over 2 years since the search for Madalina Cojocari officially began. Cornelius police say they are still investigating this case, too, after the little girl was last seen in public getting off her school bus. Her mother, Diana Cojocari, is now in Moldova, while her stepfather remains in North Carolina. Christopher Palmiter, we're learning, has filed for divorce from Diana. With a court date set, many now wondering if Diana has to come back to the States for that hearing. WCNC Charlotte's Megan Bragg verifies.
That court date is set for March 3rd, 2025 at the Mecklenburg County Courthouse. But the question here is, will Diana have to be present in person for that hearing? So to verify, we went to these sources, the North Carolina Judicial Branch and attorney Gary Monty. Now, according to the North Carolina Judicial Branch, in order to qualify for divorce, you have to be separated for at least 1 year and a day. Now, Palmiter filed for separation in December of 2022, so they do meet that requirement. According to NC's judicial branch, as long as you're eligible to file for a divorce, your spouse does not need to have to agree to it. In North Carolina, if you file for divorce, your spouse does not need to complete or sign any paperwork, file with the court, or they do not have to go to that divorce hearing. However, they must receive proper legal notice of the divorce case that you file. We do know, according to documents we obtained earlier this month, that Palmiter has made that filing. Now, Gary Monty says the only reasons someone would have to appear is if they are under a subpoena or required by a judge. Otherwise, a party does not normally have to appear. Personally, it's perfectly fine to appear through your attorney. So we can verify that no, Diana Cojocari does not need to come back to Mecklenburg County for the divorce hearing. With your Verify, I'm Megan Bragg.
Now, of course, the Madalina Cojocari case has had a lot of twists and turns. We understand there are a lot of details to keep up with and a lot of unanswered questions. So if you want to learn more about the case or the legal process involved, you can always let us know. That is what our Verify team is here for. You can email us at verify@wcnc.com. You can also reach out to any one of us on social media.